Okay, what's going on YouTube? It's Beamer-Fonz, and today, this is a very unexpected video, but I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove and clean your VANOS solenoid check valve. Not the solenoids. Solenoids are right here on the front of your engine. A lot of people replace these because they get an engine light for VANOS solenoids, and then they replace those, and then the engine light's still there and their car still runs like crap. So my car actually runs pretty good. I don't know how, because I just pulled one of the check valves and that is what I was greeted with. Like, that is a screen, dude. That is supposed to be clean. That is disgusting. So I'm going to show you guys where these are and how to get them out. So if you've got an N52 or M54, I believe it's in the same location, but do not quote me on this. You're going to come up to your car and you're going to come to the left side of the engine, right side of the vehicle. If you're talking about like ordering parts standpoint, this is technically the right side of the car. So you're going to come down here, you're going to look right past these black wires, and it is basically going to be right beside your exhaust manifold there. And if you look down here, right there, you can see the hole up top is where I got the first one out of, and then that lower one, that is the second one that needs to come out. So that is where they are. And the tools you will need are, I used a 3/4 ratchet with a small extension, and then you're going to need a T40 is what it was, but they were not very tight, so if you've got a T37 you might be able to get away with it, but don't do that. Don't be an idiot. So that is what my first check valve looks like. I'm going to clean them, show you guys what they're supposed to look like. Actually, I'm going to pull out the second one, clean them, show you what they're supposed to look like, and then I'm going to put them back in. So I'll be back after I do that. So that is a quick clean. I just did a quick little clean on this one. I'm going to leave it in some ISO. But that is how they're supposed to look. I cannot believe how much gunk was on there. That's insane. Alright, so this was the bottom one, and that one wasn't bad at all. But this one was covered in gunk. But now y'all can see, those are the two holes for them right there. So I'm going to just give them a quick spray with some isopropyl and then throw them back in and see if this jaunt runs better. We'll see. Well, I don't know if it's a placebo effect or if cleaning those check valves actually made the car run better, but it feels like in the higher RPMs it just wants to go now. Like, it did not do that before. I swear to God it didn't do that before. But that could also be from the muffler delete. But regardless, when I start up the car, it's less ticky. It starts up quicker now. Like, it starts up, doesn't crank. It seems like it doesn't crank as long. That might be a placebo effect, but it definitely is less ticky. And when I'm idling, it's more smooth. And in the higher RPMs, it feels quicker. So if you guys have a 325i, 28, 30, 35i, and you have never done the check valves, but you've done the solenoids, or if you've never done any of it, I highly suggest doing it, because I guarantee if you pull them out and they're dirty, you are going to feel a difference. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I know this was a bit of a shorter video, but I feel like it was a worthwhile video to make. So if this has helped you guys, do one of the following, please. Beamer-Fonz out.